Email marketing works, and we have built the easiest way for you to create an email marketing campaign. Let's take a look in this video. Before jumping into the creation of a new campaign, I just want to mention that email continues to deliver really strong return of investment. For every dollar that you spend on email marketing, you can get in return $42. And honestly, I've seen a lot of criticism lately on the internet, or I would say not even lately, I would say for the last 5 to 10 years that email is dead. And yes, the market is quite saturated, but now there is an opportunity for us and for you to figure out how to be different. Let's create our first email marketing campaign, and we are going to use ZooTools Panda, which is a tool that we are creating ourselves. You can sign up for free, and actually we are very generous to get started and to try it out. So I'm going to do demo email marketing campaign. And in this case, I can actually choose which type of project: viral waiting list, crypto NFT whitelist, or a blog newsletter. Let's go with a blog newsletter, just why not, Once I'm here, actually I will see all the lists of subscribers in my list. You can actually directly import from other tools like Mailchimp, Typeform, Google Forms, etc. Or you can just manually start adding members into the list. You go to the viral form, you will see how your users are actually engaged and start collecting leads. So I'm just going to sign up with my ZooTools email, which, by the way, we are 24/7 for you. So just feel free to reach out to me or even on my Twitter. Now I can see myself here with my email. When did I sign up? So let's start by creating the campaigns. It's always very exciting to email yourself. Right now it's on beta and it's only available to a subset of users, but you just ask for access, and probably when you're watching this video, it's going to be publicly available. So these campaigns allows you to send emails, NFT, or push notifications to your subscribers. So let's get started. In our case, I just want to create an email campaign. So I'm going to do, for example, welcome promo. And I can choose who should receive these. So right now, all subscribers. Soon we will be adding also segmentation, or as we like to call it, crews. So you can actually reach out to specific members in your list. And now we are actually loading the email builder. And by the way, we are iterating a lot with the composed of a new email. We actually want to make it look like you're actually writing a Gmail or a superhuman email. So let us know your feedback, because we are constantly iterating. Right now we have this drag and drop mechanism, but we want to explore other options. So I could be totally curious to know, how can we make the easiest and the best email composing experience ever? So just send us your feedback either on Twitter, on ZooTools HQ, JG Ferreiro, my personal one, or just send us an email to support@zootools.co. Here is going to be the subject. So I'm just going to keep it simple. Welcome you all. Just want to remove this image. I can actually send a test email to myself or to anybody in your company as well, or I can just continue and go into the last step. I can select who is the sender. So in our case, updates@zootools.co. If you want to use your custom domain, just let us know. We will send you the instructions to yourself, and I can preview, and let's send the email. You ready? Awesome. We just sent the campaign, so that's pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. And now if I go back to the dashboard, I should be able to see all the campaigns that you have directly created and what is the status. So for example, if we are in the middle of sending your campaign, you will see here in progress. If you have scheduled the campaign, which is suddenly that we are adding really soon, you will also be able to see it here. And that's pretty much it. And now we are actually working on analytics as well, so you can see more information about your campaigns. Again, if you have some ideas about which analytics matters to you as a marketer, just let us know, and that could be very, very helpful and very, very useful. So that's it. I definitely want to invite you all to give it a try. We're making the best-in-class experience for creating email campaigns, and we would definitely love to get your feedback, your thoughts. What do you like? What can we improve? And overall, how do you like it? So put some comments or just directly ping us. We are 24/7 for you. So yeah, see you very soon, and happy emailing. Pow!